Hi YouTube, this is my first Shop 101, and I've got this old 1920s Buffalo Forge drill press here. I was going to try this engine degreaser, just picked up some today. I was going to try it on my friend's hammer mill, but I got a little bit too antsy, so directions say to spray it onto a warm engine. Obviously this is an engine, so I'm just going to spray it on here and see what happens. Been about 10 minutes now, so I'm going to try and rinse it off. You can see all the crap coming off of there. Looks like it's doing a pretty nice job. Alright, well, it took a little bit off. I'll report back after a minute here, or a couple minutes. I'll probably do another couple of coats of that stuff and rinse it off and see what the finished product looks like. We put on the second coat and it's been sitting for probably 20 minutes now, so rinse it off and see the results. I figured if it doesn't work this time around, I'll just take it to the steaming pressure washer and that'll work good. Let's see what happens. It doesn't look like it's doing much. First coat got quite a bit off, but this time it's not really doing as good of a job. Went through most of that can just on this thing, and it's not very good price. Looks like I'll have to be pressure washing this guy. I might make a series on this drill press of restoring it and everything. So, I still have to stay tuned for that.